Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a safe working copy. Duplicate the light mode file or create a new page so you don't overwrite components. Once done, set a base frame and layout grids to keep spacing consistent across variants. Create color tokens now, surface, text, accent, shadow, and overlay because you will reference them everywhere. This prevents inconsistencies later and speeds changes. Make sure to name tokens clearly. That way you can swap palettes quickly for components and instances. Now convert your components. Create dark variants for buttons, cards, navigation, and form inputs so instances inherit changes. Use color styles to swap fills and strokes rather than manual edits. That makes future updates trivial. For surfaces, apply subtle overlays with 0, 12 to 0, 25 opacity to lift elements and preserve depth. For imagery, use multiply or color burn blend modes or supply alternate dark images. This maintains mood without losing detail. Finish by refining contrast and accessibility. Run contrast checks and aim for at least AA for body text, higher for small UI elements. Then prototype a theme toggle and test flows across device sizes and various backgrounds to catch edge cases. Publish your color styles and component library so teams can adopt dark mode seamlessly. If things go wrong, revert to your duplicate file, compare color style differences, and check that instances are linked to the correct styles rather than overwritten local fills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.